Spoken English Online Education, Day 15. Today's topic is the festivals. We have studied different topics, and today is the new topic. It's about the festivals. सण, उत्सव हे दोन्ही मराठीमध्ये अर्थ होतात. With respect to the different religions, there are different festivals. In our country, there are different religions peoples such as Hindus, Muslims, Buddha, Sikh, Isai, and these all celebrate their festivals. And in all religions celebrate national festivals. So we study today about these festivals. What are the festivals, famous festivals that we are studying today? See, what are that? Observe in this picture. What are these festivals? You know. Think more about it. According to the picture, what denotes which festival? Find out yourself the answers. Guess what is the function about this picture? Festivals. Our activity, that is, what is this type of? Now here is the question, which festival is this? I am showing some pictures here. By seeing that pictures, you want to know which festival is this. With the help of the picture, with the situations of the pictures, we say which festival is this. And this is the one more activity, one question and many answers. That's why it is known as one question, many answers activity, or same question, different answers activity. Think about it. What is the activity? First question, which festival is this? Onkatwar, can you guess? No.
No, sir.
Satvik, can you guess?
Nagapanchami.
Yes, exactly. Nag Panchami. There are different Panchamis, but it's a Nag Panchami. This is Nag Panchami. Okay. Second, which festival is this? Ruturaj.
I can say
Ruturaj. Okay. Srashti.
this is a Raksha Bandhan.
Yes. Raksha Bandhan. This is one of our best festival which increase the love between brother and sister. This is the famous festival. Question number 3. Which festival is this? Can you guess, Rohini Devgunde?
15 August.
What is in English? It's in Marathi, 15th August. What is in English? What we call to that day?
15 August. Independence.
Ah,
Independence Day.
yes,
Independence.
I want that. Independence Day. Swatantrata Divas किंवा स्वतंत्र दिवस. Which festival is this? Preeti.
This is Bail Pora.
Ola. Bulak.
Yes.
This is पोळा.
पोळा.
Which festival is this? पोपटवार.
Sir, this is the Ganesh Chaturthi.
Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi. This is Ganesh Chaturthi. It is a famous festival of Maharashtra. Sixth question. Mansi. Mansi. Okay.
Buddha Jayanti.
Huh?
Buddha Jayanti.
Rohini Kasbe.
This is Buddha Jayanti.
Who knows their age only? Otherwise, lower your hand. Chaitanya.
This is a Gautam Buddha Jayanti.
What is read it? Rohini. Rohini.
Parvartan Divas. Dhammachakra Parvartan Divas. Dhammachakra Parvartan Divas.
Dhammachakra Pravartan Divas. Here comes the lack of people. लाखो लोक इथं येतात दसऱ्याच्या दिवशी. It's a very big festival for the Buddhist people. Dhammachakra Pravartan Day.
Sir, screen.
Yes.
Screen व्यवस्थित दिसत नव्हती.
Okay, okay, okay. Question number 7. Which festival is this? Sri.
This is Diwali.
Yes,
Diwali. This is a Diwali.
this is Diwali. Eighth, Priti.
This is a Sir, I don't know.
Okay, Dhanasri.
This is a Christmas. This is a Christmas. This is a Christmas.
Okay. Christmas. This is Christmas. Question number 9. Which festival is this? Rohini Kasbe.
This is
No.
Kite Day.
Ritesh.
This is Kite Day.
Ritesh.
Can I say, sir?
Ritesh. Okay. Atharva.
This is a Makar Sankranti. This is a Makar Sankranti, sir.
Yes, exactly.
Sir.
ज्याला विचारलं त्यांनीच सांगायचं, बाकीच्यांचे माईक म्यूट असले पाहिजे. मकर संक्रांती. This is Makar Sankranti. Next, which festival is this? Mansi.
This is a Republic. This is a Republic Day.
Yes, exactly. Republic Day. When it is a Republic Day, Mansi?
26 January.
26th January. Which religions this is? Who celebrate? Which religions people celebrate this festival?
All Indian people.
All Indian people.
All religious people. Okay. It is not related with the any one religion. It is related with the all religions because it's our country's proud Republic Day. Which festival it is? Snail.
Rangoli.
Yes. Holi. This is Holi. 12th. Sanskriti. Which festival is this?
This is a Gudi Padwa.
Exactly. This is Gudi Padwa. Thirteenth. Ruturaj.
Eid. This is a Eid.
Yes. They are praying the Father, God. It's a Eid. That is Ramjan Eid, whatever may be there. Eid ul Fitr or Ramjan Eid, we say generally one of such type of festivals celebrated by the Muslim peoples or Muslim religions. This is Ramjan Eid.
Sir, या दिवशी सुरकुंबा पितात.
Okay, let it. Which festival is this? Ruturaj. Which festival is this? Ruturaj. हा कोणता सण आहे माहिती आहे का ऋतुराज? झोपलास बेटा? झोप झोप. धनश्री.
This is the Gokulashtami.
Gokulashtami. Okay. Sonakshi, what is the answer?
This is the Dayandi.
Dahi Handi. Okay, we say that is a Dahi Handi. It's a Gokulashtami. This is Gokulashtami. Okay. Rohini, Devgunde, which festival is this? No.
Eid.
Sanjivani,
I don't.
who know, they only raise their hand. Otherwise, lower your hand. Don't keep by raising hand. Ritesh.
Guru Purnima.
Huh?
Guru Purnima.
Is it a Guru Purnima?
No, sir. This is a Guru Nanak Jayanti, sir.
Okay. Which religions it is, this festival, suppose? Swesh, can you try?
I can say, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
I don't know.
Okay.
Punjabi.
It is a festival of Sikh religious. Holla Mohalla. In our Nanded Gurudwara, it celebrates every year. This is Holla Mohalla. It is related with the Sikh religious. These are the different festivals names. With the representative type, we have studied about this. Which festival is this? One question was there and we find that answer, that many answers. But the many questions and many answers, this is one of the activity. By taking this activity, we know the different questions and different answers. Which festival is this? Ruturaj.
This is a Diwali.
Diwali. Yes. Second question, Preeti.
What do we make to eat?
Yes. What is the answer?
We make to eat sweet.
Yes. We make different types of sweet. Third question, Srishti.
How you enjoy?
Yes. How you enjoy these festivals? Diwali festival, how you enjoy? Dhanasri.
I enjoy with crackers.
Only with crackers? Rohini
I
Kasbe. what is your
enjoy,
answer? Rohini Kasbe.
I don't know, sir.
Amarja.
I enjoy this festival to firecrackers or eat a delicious fruit sweet.
Yes. We enjoy by eating sweets, taking new dress, bursting firecrackers. Okay? Fatake Fodni, bursting firecrackers. Fourth, is it useful bursting firecrackers? Sanjeevani.
No, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is useful. It is useful. It is useful firecracker.
फटाके फोडणे हे उपयोगाचे आहे का? चांगले आहे का?
No, sir. No, it's
No,
not.
sir.
No, sir.
Useful bursting
No, sir.
firecrackers.
Yes, it is not useful for our, only it is an enjoyment. Okay, but it is harmful for the environment. No,
Environment.
not useful. Which festival is this? New festival is here. Ruturaj.
This is a Holi.
Holi. This is Holi. Second question. Indrayani.
What do we eat?
Yes. होळीला आपण काय खातो?
Sir, can I?
चैतन्य.
Sir, can I?
चैतन्य.
What? Sir, can I?
What do we eat?
Ha, what is the answer?
We eat
We eat Puran
Poli.
ज्याचं नाव घेतलं त्याला बोलू द्या, बाकीच्यांनी आपले माईक म्यूट करा. दुसऱ्याचा चान्स हिरावून घेऊ नका, नाही आलं तर सांगा नंतर. वी ईट पुरणपोळी अँड खारीक खोबर, दॅट इज हार. बरोबर आहे ना? हा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हाऊ यू एन्जॉय? संजीवनी.
Good. We enjoy play Holi.
We enjoy by playing colors. Color playing. Fourth, Dhanasri.
Is it useful for our environment?
Yes. Is it useful?
No, it's not useful for our environment.
Yes, it is not good for our environment, or it is not useful for our environment. Okay. Mansi.
This is a Eid.
Yes, this is Eid ul Fitr or Ramzan Eid, whatever may be Eid. Second, how you feel by looking these festivals?
Very good.
Very good. Again, happy. When we celebrate any festival, we feel very happy. Third, Sonakshi, read it and answer it.
Why you feel very happy?
Now, what is your answer?
I don't know, sir.
Who know?
Sir,
they
can
only
I?
raise your hand. Who know? They only raise your hand. Otherwise, lower your hand. Don't keep by raising hand. सात्विक उत्तर काय तुझं सांग?
Sir, I don't know.
मग रितेश.
Sir, we feel are very happy.
Why? Why is there? Why you feel very happy?
Yes, I feel very happy. I drink.
Sanjivani.
I don't know, sir.
Sanjivani.
दीदी इकडे I don't know, sir. दीदी सगळं नाही ना चलते.
I like their equality, so we feel very happy. There is a equality. All the peoples come at an equal level and they pray to God. This is the equality. Fourth question. Do you like others' festivals? Amarja.
Yes, sir. I like others festival.
Yes, I like others' festival. Okay. This type of questions about these festivals we have seen, that is different questions, different answers. First one question, many answers. Now different questions, different answers. Now it's time for your today's homework. Write all names of given festivals in your notebook. What are the festivals here? See the pictures, observe, guess the name of festival. Second question, prepare some question and answers about above festivals. What are these festivals? Find out it. Think about it. What I write about these festivals. Minimum 4 to 5 questions should you prepare. Yes, and find out the questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you are not
Okay,
subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Do not forget to like, comment, and share to your friends, because I give a new videos, new topics, and new lesson every day. Thank you.
सर उधर छुट्टी है का?
Is there any doubt about today's session?
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
These things, find out the pictures and write down all the sentences and questions about it. Okay.
सर उद्या राइम्स घेतो म्हणल्या ना.